KFC serves over 12 million customers every day worldwide. But have you ever wondered what goes into making that crispy, juicy chicken? From the farm to the fryer, let's dive into the process behind the bucket and see what makes KFC's chicken so special. Before we explore the detailed process of how KFC chicken is made, let's take a quick trip back in time. KFC, also known as Kentucky Fried Chicken, was founded by Colonel Harlan Sanders in 1952. Sanders wasn't always in the restaurant business. In fact, he started out in various professions, from running a gas station to selling insurance. But his true passion lay in cooking, and after experimenting with different spices, he developed a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices that would eventually become the hallmark of KFC. The first KFC restaurant was a small roadside establishment in Corbin, Kentucky, where Sanders served fried chicken to travelers. Sanders was no stranger to hard work and perseverance. In fact, he didn't become a successful entrepreneur until later in life, facing numerous setbacks along the way. He had tried running a number of businesses before finally discovering the secret to his success, a uniquely flavorful fried chicken recipe. Word quickly spread about the exceptional taste of his fried chicken, and Sanders' small restaurant saw an influx of customers eager to taste what had been dubbed the best fried chicken around. As his popularity grew, Sanders began franchising his restaurant, allowing others to open KFC locations under his name and trademark recipe. The first franchise agreement was signed in 1952 with Pete Harmon, a restaurant owner in Salt Lake City, Utah, who helped to introduce the famous bucket of chicken to the menu. With the help of franchising, KFC grew into a nationwide sensation and eventually into a global empire, making Sanders Chicken a household name across the world. Over the years, the company has maintained its focus on quality and consistency, sticking to the original recipe that made Colonel Sanders a household name. The distinctive taste of KFC's chicken has never been replicated, thanks in part to the company's commitment to preserving the secret blend of 11 herbs and spices. This iconic formula has become one of the best-kept secrets in the food industry and continues to be a major part of the brand's identity. Today, KFC is known for its commitment to fresh, quality ingredients and for staying true to the traditions set by Colonel Sanders. It all begins with the chicken itself. KFC sources its chicken from farms that meet strict animal welfare standards. These farms are typically larger-scale operations, focused on providing consistent, high-quality poultry. The chickens are specially selected for their size and tenderness, which are essential for achieving the perfect balance of crunch and juiciness. KFC primarily uses broiler chickens, which are bred specifically for meat production. These chickens are raised in climate-controlled environments to ensure they grow at a healthy rate. The birds are given access to feed designed to promote rapid growth, which is important for consistency in size and quality. However, KFC also places an animal welfare, ensuring that the chickens are raised in conditions that meet or exceed industry standards for care and humane treatment. Once the chickens are ready for processing, they are sent to specialized meat processing plants. These facilities are designed to handle the processing of large quantities of chicken while maintaining high standards of hygiene and food safety. At the processing plant, the chicken undergoes a meticulous cleaning and inspection process to ensure only the highest quality meat reaches customers. After the birds are humanely slaughtered, skilled workers carefully handle the carcasses to remove feathers, internal organs, and other inedible parts. This initial step is crucial for maintaining hygiene and safety in the final product. The remaining chicken meat is then expertly processed into various cuts that KFC serves, ensuring each piece meets strict standards for flavor and texture. KFC offers a diverse selection of cuts, from crispy drumsticks and juicy wings to tender thighs and succulent breasts. Each cut is separated and prepared based on the specific meal being created. KFC often selects cuts like the thigh, known for its rich, flavorful taste and moisture retention during frying, which helps ensure the signature juiciness that has made KFC's fried chicken so iconic. Once the chicken has been carefully portioned and thoroughly inspected, it moves on to the next crucial stage, the marination process. This step plays a pivotal role in infusing the chicken with the perfect balance of flavors, ensuring each piece is tender, flavorful, and ready for its signature crispy coating. Here's where the magic begins. The chicken is marinated for several hours in a special brine solution, which not only helps to tenderize the meat, but also infuses it with flavor. This marination process ensures that each piece of chicken is juicy and packed with flavor from the inside out. The brine typically contains water, salt, and sometimes sugar or other seasonings. This helps to break down the muscle fibers of the chicken, making it more tender while also enhancing its ability to retain moisture during cooking. The secret, however, lies in the spices and seasonings that are added to the marinade. While the full list of ingredients is a closely guarded secret, there's no doubt that the brine plays a significant role in ensuring that KFC's chicken maintains its signature flavor. Now, we come to the most iconic part of the KFC chicken process, the famous 11 herbs and spices. These herbs and spices are what set KFC apart from all other fried chicken chains. While the exact blend is a closely held secret, some have speculated that it contains ingredients like salt, dining experience. So, the next time you bite into a piece of KFC chicken, remember that there's much more to it than just a simple meal. From the carefully sourced chicken to the secret recipe and the precise frying process, every step of the journey is designed to deliver that signature flavor and texture that fans love. Whether you're grabbing a quick meal or sharing a bucket with family, KFC's fried chicken continues to stand as one of the most iconic fast food meals in the world. Do you think KFC's chicken lives up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.